Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from Lessification, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. Packing shoes is frustrating. Their awkward size makes them difficult to pack. They can get dirt on your clean clothes, and bringing multiple pairs for multiple occasions just takes up a lot of space in your bag. But the good news is that it doesn't have to be this way. You shouldn't have to pack multiple pairs of shoes to try to fit every possible occasion while traveling. Rather, you should have just one pair that you can dress up or down, a pair that will look great for anything you decide to wear. So this is today's tip. Travel with one pair of shoes that look great for every occasion. Now, you might be thinking like, wow, this sounds great in theory, but how do you go about choosing such a perfect pair, Luigi? Well, there are 5 key characteristics that make a great one-shoe travel shoe. So let me break them down for you. They are: 1, choose any color as long as it's black. Black is easily the most versatile color. It looks good on just about everything, it'll match all your outfits, and it is the easiest to dress up or down. 2, look for high quality materials such as leather or vegan leather. Avoid synthetics like polyesters, nylons, or mesh looking materials. These make shoes look cheap and will clash with your elegant look for a night out on the town. 3, the simpler, the better. Remember this general rule of thumb. The simpler the design of the shoe, the more timeless it'll look, and the more outfits it will match. 4, minimal branding. Avoid loud branding and big logos. These tend to make shoes look more tacky and trendy, reducing your outfit's matchability and wearable occasions. And finally, 5, choose a shoe with bottom tread. Because naturally, you'll be walking outside a lot. And if you run into bad weather, decide to take the path less traveled, or do an improv hike, you're gonna want a sole with some traction. Okay, with these 5 key characteristics, you can have a shoe that will match every occasion while traveling and save you a bunch of space in your bag. And if you want to know where the best places are to find a pair of one-shoe travel shoes, check the links in the description of this video for my favorites. Okay, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday to help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from Lessification. Happy trails.